All right, here we go. Find two angles, one positive, one negative, that are coterminal with the angle. And we're going to do 150 degrees and pi over 4 radians. So now here, just we went over coterminal in the last video. And remember, coterminal means that essentially if we've got, here's our xy axis, that if we had an angle like 135 degrees, we'd start here at 0, head around 135 degrees, and be somewhere right around there. Now, if you went, and that's going counterclockwise. When it's a positive value, you go counterclockwise, and when it's a negative value, you go clockwise. Now, if you went around negative 225 degrees, you would end up at the exact same place. You'd end up with the exact same terminal ray. And so that's what this question here is asking us. So let's go ahead and run on through those. And probably would be a great idea to pause the video right now, try it out, and then just check the video to see if you're getting it, understanding the concept or not. So first one, and again, hopefully you have paused and are actually come back to check now. We have 150 degrees as being our first one, and one way to do this without graphing is just saying, well, 150 degrees, and that'd be right around there somewhere. That if we had 150 degrees, we could either continue around another 360, so plus 360 degrees, giving us, what is that, 510 degrees. That positive 510 degrees would be coterminal because it would go around an additional 360 degrees and end up right at that same point. All right, so 510 degrees. If we wanted that, that would be our one positive. Now, and you could add another 360 degrees, another 360 degrees, and you'd continue to end up at the same terminal ray, and it would be coterminal. What if we went negative 360 degrees, though? Essentially, that if we started from the 150 right here, what if we had gone 360 degrees clockwise? Where would we be at now? So 150 minus 360, and that's going to give us negative 210 degrees. Those are both coterminal with 150, and really they're actually coterminal with each other as well. All right, so there it is in degrees, and there's our sketch of all three angles, all right on top of each other. Oops, let's get that out of the way. All right on top of each other here at 150 degrees. So now same concept, but this time we're going to do it with pi fourths radians. So pi over 4, and here's kind of our xy axis. Remember that pi over 4, that is kind of equivalent to 45 degrees, or not quite equivalent, it's exactly 45 degrees. But if pi is all the way over to 180, then this is going to be 1/4 of that. So half and then half again, right at 45 degrees. There's our ray. And here's theta. That'd be 45 degrees right in there. Now we could either, since we're dealing in radians, we're not going to add 360 degrees, but we'll add 2 pi. Because remember, 2 pi is equivalent to 360 degrees. 2 pi is that full circle. So if we go around one full additional time, we'll have pi over 4 plus 2 pi. And so we'll need to get like denominators, and so actually let's write this all in blue. Pi over 4 plus 2 pi, and that multiply both the top and the bottom by 4. So we now have 8 pi plus pi, or 8 pi fourths plus pi fourths, giving us 9 pi over 4. 9 pi over 4. And that's going to be our positive value. That's going to pi over 4, and then another full 2 pi back all the way to the beginning. If we went the other way with it, if we started at pi fourths, but then went negative 2 pi to get back to the same terminal array. That we would have pi over 4 minus 2 pi, which again is the same thing as 8/4 pi. 8/4. And this time we're going to end up with negative 7 pi over 4. Negative 7 pi over 4. All right, hope that helps.